Hi, my name is Matt from Prioto, and today I want to talk to you about what Prioto is. So the contents for today is an introduction to Prioto. I'm going to give you some examples of how Prioto can benefit your sector. I'm going to explain how Prioto is actually delivered into projects. I'd like to summarize, and then I'll give you some time for some questions and answers. So firstly, what is Prioto? Prioto is a commercial building management solution, providing simple, cost-effective facility management technology. So we believe that a building should improve the user's experience without adding any complexity, and a Prioto system ensures the building is being used as efficiently as possible, reducing your carbon footprint and saving you money. Prioto is split into two different areas. So firstly, there's the hardware element, and secondly, the software element. So for the hardware, what this is essentially the hardware which is installed into the facility to give customers, staff, end users the experience of controlling the building in a simple and intuitive way. On top of this, there's the software element, which is how the building is logging all the data that's happening inside of it, and also the option to have an app or a user interface to control certain aspects of the building. Prioto looks to do four things. So firstly, what it looks to do is improve the control of the building. So it's to simplify the control elements to make sure that it's intuitive for all users. Secondly, what we look to do is automate where we can. So simple and effective automation can take care of some of the tasks throughout the building. From there, we can monitor everything that's happening as well. So what the Prioto system looks to do is to monitor all the various aspects of data coming back from a facility to give facilities management a very clear overview on how the building is being used. This can then be used to alert if there's anything untoward spotted. So for example, if there's a leak or a very low temperature noticed in one of the buildings, we can alert facilities management to this. Prioto is designed to offer something in many different sectors, including retail, the emergency services, multi-site businesses, assisted living facilities, sports facilities, and the hospitality sector. For clients with sports facilities, there are many challenges to ensure your customers have an enjoyable experience and that your sports facility operation remains profitable. Prioto can monitor and control many aspects of sports facilities. These features can provide staff with easier control and facility management with accurate data on how the facilities are being used. Providing customers with comfortable, clean, accessible, inspiring sports facilities is essential to maintain customer loyalty. For the facility manager, it's important that the energy use is kept under control. And with Prioto, we will ensure that we're not wasting energy by leaving heating on or leaving lighting on when it's not required. Zoning of temperature control is something that as well can reduce energy wastage. And then from there, there's lots of alerting we can do based on leaks, fire, high humidity, or poor air quality. So Prioto offers many benefits to sports facility providers. One example I want to look at today is floodlight control. So we can provide your staff at the sports facility app control for the floodlights, and from here they can actually create scheduling inside their own app to plan when the floodlights need to be on and off. This can mean that the floodlights can be automatically switched off at the end of pre-booked slots. Prioto can also monitor the total floodlight time. This is important for preemptive servicing of lamps in the floodlights, which may have service hours that need to be monitored, and then preemptive services can be provided to make sure that lamps aren't being damaged. Another great example of where Prioto can enhance any sports facility is monitoring changing areas. So something as simple as monitoring the humidity in changing rooms can ensure that it's a comfortable environment for customers. Prioto can monitor the air quality and control mechanical extraction or boost circulation of air conditioning to make sure that the changing facilities are always kept comfortable. This can combat the build-up of condensation, which in turn can lead to mold and obviously damage to the building. Also, what we can add is automatic lighting. This is essential in reducing the energy waste in these spaces, which may not be used at all times. So with automatic lighting, we can make sure that the lights aren't being left on for long periods of time, wasting your company energy and money. Energy equates to 30% of sports facility running costs. So it's clear that a small reduction in how this energy is being wasted and how it's being used throughout the facility, a reduction in the waste can actually be a large financial gain. To summarise, Prioto enhances the customer experience in a sports facility. It can also drastically enhance how your staff are using the facility, which in turn will reduce your energy waste, reduce your carbon footprint, and save your company money. I would now like to explain to you how Prioto is actually delivered. So for successful project delivery, we will work with you through the 4 key stages of the project. Firstly, consultation. The Prioto team will work with the facilities managers to understand your requirements and provide expert advice on how to maximise the benefits of Prioto. Next, we'll go away and design a system. So we will create a feature specification to explain how the system is going to work and design all the relevant hardware and software parts for this as well. The next stage is going to be the installation. So Prioto have a wide network of skilled installers who will carry out the physical installation of all the required hardware. Any software and IT setup will also be delivered by the Prioto team. From here, we can offer ongoing maintenance. So this is to maintain any of the physical hardware that's installed in the facility and obviously offer technical support as well to facilities management and users. So to summarise, the Prioto system will reduce your energy wastage, reduce your carbon footprint, and save you money. I would like to open up the floor for any questions that you may have on what we've discussed today. Anyway, thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please let me know.